In this fourth of our 6-part video series on creating a total compensation statement, you'll go through the steps to create a user-defined category for commissions. There are 4 steps to create a user-defined category for commissions. First, you'll need to create 3 compensation items. To start, open the Compensation Work area. Enter the item name, then select the source type and LDG. Select the payroll balance. Then select the dimension. There are 3 different types of dimensions: assignment, relationship, and term. Assignments focus on a specific employee assignment. Relationships focus on the entire employment relationship. Year to date means from the calendar year to date. Inception to date means from the beginning of that assignment, relationship, or term to date. Period to date means from that pay period to date. There is no assignment period to date because assignments aren't measured by pay periods. Depending on your configuration, not all these options may be available in your environment. You may also have other options available, such as fiscal year to date and rolling 12 months. Something to keep in mind as you work toward creating your total compensation statement is that when the batch process is run for the statement definition to create the total compensation statement, it uses the start and end dates of the statement definition period as a priority for filtering before it creates the total compensation statement. This means that the dimension you choose may initially include a large amount of data, but that data will be refined by the statement definition period start and end dates. When you're done, select Save and Close. Use the same process to create the sales revenue year-end and sales target year-end items. The second step is to create a user-defined category. Open the Compensation Categories work area. Add a user-defined commissions category with 3 columns. Select your level of detail, and then edit the column properties. Now you have columns for each of the compensation items you created. The third step is to attach the compensation items. Enter a name, description, and item names. The last step is to configure your display options. Here, you can configure your graph properties. Next, you can enter any text to describe what's included in the category or policy details and format it as needed. When you're done, select Save and Close. This concludes Part 4 of our 6-part video series on creating a total compensation statement. Be sure to check out Part 5, where you'll go through the steps to create a stock history category. For more information, refer to this topic in Oracle Help Center. Thanks for watching.